Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing video of the day. Well, the video of today is all about the Wear OS 3. As some of you guys all know, the TicWatch users, well, this is something like a good news for us because we have been long waiting for this kind of update, and I'll be saying TicWatch or my boy has been avoiding us. Let us just jump through the straight point, because if we try to see the Wear OS update right now, the brand new one, which is Wear OS 4, it's going throughout Android 13, and the Wear OS 3, which will be receiving on the TicWatch Pro 3 and the TicWatch E3, it's just on Android 11, which I can say it's quite not bad. Still, it's a much great and amazing kind of update, but still it took a little bit time for us to get it, which means in 2024 you might be considered buying a new smartwatch. But this video today is not about that. It's all about the Wear OS 3 update, so as we can just talk about it and explain how it is, and it's going to be really cool. So for the TicWatch users, you know what I'm saying, and for the people who would like just to get some briefing, well, let's get started. Let's rewind a bit back in April 2023. Well, Mobvoi announced the Wear OS 3 will be arriving for the TicWatch Pro 3 and the Pro 3 Ultra, and E3 sometime in the third quarter of the year. However, delays plagued the rollout, leaving many users frustrated and wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the update. Around October, it was like a good news for us because we were like getting a better version of the Wear OS 3, which users they can test, but still it's a little bit complicated to get that better version. So I think still Mobvoi need to fix on that to jump in through the straight point so as users can get really easily on the update. So what are the new features of the Wear OS 3? We have just to know what are the new features before we just jump in throughout installation and all of that, because this video is not about installation but to give you a clue, because the Wear OS 3 might be coming around this December same month, and each day you just get an update and it will just wipe everything. But today we're gonna learn what are the key features throughout the Wear OS 3. So it will be having the faster performance and the smooth animations on the watch. It will be having new watch faces and a new redesigned UI. It will be having an improved notification management and an enhanced Google Assistant integration and a new health and fitness features, which it's quite really impressive. But on the Wear OS 2, since I was using it on my watch, what I was experiencing more is the Google Assistant.
Google Assistant is not available for this OS version.
But why? Well, I think because of the Wear OS 3, we might be getting those functionality back, but for the long run, just know that those functionality will be gone again. So it's really annoying. As some of you guys all know, the official rollout is just this December that we might be getting this update, or not, because they stated it directly through the email which they shared and across a lot of users. If I'm not mistaken, I think a lot of users might be opting out throughout using the TicWatch smartwatches, which it's so annoying if the update takes a lot of time, like almost like 2 years of waiting just for an update, and it's really annoying. And right now you're getting an update and you're being told you might be getting or not. You just cross your fingers and expect you might be getting it or you're not getting it. It's really crazy. So we could not test the Wear OS 3 since I was trying so many times just to get even on a better program, but it's really hard for me just to get it. I don't know, I find a lot of tutorials online how to do it, but nothing helped me. I'm like, okay, it's just some guidelines from them, but it's not a direct guideline to make you understand. Even they tell you there is a patch update which you can download, but it's not straightforward for the patch update because you're not getting any info. You're getting just some their guidelines how you can update through the watch, but getting through the point, it's not that much legitimate. So I can say we can still be waiting for the Wear OS 3, or you can switch throughout a different version or another kind of watch, or you can get even a Pixel watch if you prefer to get a little bit much earlier updates, or you can just jump into Samsung smartwatches. So it's really kind of annoying, but these are the updates from the Wear OS, and I think it's quite not bad, and they'll just keep up. I hope, I'm crossing my fingers, they'll just keep up on improving so as we can get earlier test of Android OS whenever they are rolling it out. When will be launched for the official date? Well, they didn't specify when will be launched, just around, may I expect on December, up to on the end of December, I guess so. Just stay tuned for that, because they didn't say the specifically date, because I think it might be going through region wise, but it's why can you just keep it region wise? This is so annoying, but let us just wait for that and expect what's coming. You have a TicWatch Pro 3 and E3. Are you really trying to plan toward testing the Wear OS 3? Let me know in the comment section down below so as we can mash up ideas and see what's happening. If you're so excited through all that, just like me, I'm just so excited. If they release it earlier, or they might be pushing us on next year, it will be so much embarrassing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to never miss out any kind of new tech content, and I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next amazing tech video. And don't forget to share this video to make awareness for others to just know that, yeah, this is the Wear OS 3 and this is the update. Nowadays update have become so much crazy. Up to you, just wait and wait and wait and you make a switch. So if you want to make a switch, I think it's much better, because even me, I had in mind to make a switch to another smartwatch which can provide me much better updates, which I'm looking forward throughout the Pixel Watch or the Samsung Watch. So choice is yours. On the next one, guys, and peace.